Welcome back to ColdStart Garage, guys. So, let's install a steering stem. I got my missing balls. I've never done this before, so let's figure it out. Alright, I can't see. Alright, so I'm going to have to refer to the book. So I got these bearings. And I have marine grade grease. Hopefully that works out for me. Steering stem. Come on. Yeah, it's gonna kind of look like that after it's done. I don't need all this here. It's cold out here. Alright. Apply a coat of cold grease to the upper bearing. Race going to fit 18 ball bearings around it. Apply a coat of grease to the lower ball bearing stem and fit 19 ball bearings around it. Alright, so as you see, I got the bike turned upside down because, well, it's not a bike yet, so this is easier. Yeah, boy! You know, let me clean that out a little more better. 19. I gotta count these somewhere. Not windy. So my theory on this grease is, if it's good enough for my trailer bearings, it's good enough for my stem neck. I'm supposed to have 19 on the bottom. Alright. I'm gonna get some of this goop off of me. Dang old wind. Alright, so I'm gonna strap this so I could flip the bike back over and do a better, quicker job. Alright, I tied this on so hopefully it doesn't fall out on me. That's a pinch hazard. Alright. What? How many did I say the top get? Upper bearing cone gets 18. Hopefully I have enough. Yep, I do now. Really? One is the wrong size. Alright. That's not cool. But good news, it's on top. So, I ordered two of the same, but they sent me two of different. And it's not going to work. Throw it away. The good news is it's not going to slow me down for putting this back on. Because I'll just temp install it right now. And then later, when I get the right bearing, I'll just add it. Yeah, we're short one. Bearing race. Jeez, dang old winds. Well, the bike is starting to get too heavy for the picnic table. Hell is falling. I'm getting mad. Now I know this has a torque. Oh boy, starting to look like a motorcycle. Guys, I'm gonna get a front wheel on this today. Granted, I didn't torque any of this yet, because as you know, I'm missing a bearing. I'm gonna get a torque reference for these. 13 to 22 foot-pounds. You guys never thought I'd use a torque wrench on this channel, did you? Oh, the wind is whipping. Yeah, I think all I'm gonna do today is I'm gonna put that front wheel on, call it good. I should probably get some more greases in my arsenal, guys. There we go. twisted. Is there an easier way to do this? There is. I'm figuring it out, guys. Alright, this makes me mad. It's cold, it's windy. Pinching my fingers. Well, look at that. Easy. Ugh. I can't feel my fingers. And I missed the lock washer. How's my lock washer? This wheel will be coming off again when I do the fender. So I'm just gonna put the hardware on loose. I'll tighten it. But I'm missing a cotter pin on this side. Well, not missing, but it was just not any good. All right. Got a tire on there temporarily. Missing a bearing. So none of this is adjusted. So I think next step is to get those rear shocks cleaned up as best as I can and get that rear tire on there. Making progress. Got my new ball bearing. Need a little more space than that. Come on. Alright. I was trying to be lazy. It didn't work out. Well, this is how my projects go on ColdStart Garage. 1 step forward, 3 steps back. Now we're back to square one. I'm gonna rinse those off because there's a bunch of sand on them now. They're covered in grease. So, yeah, I'll get back to you when this is back together. Never a dull moment. Yeah, that's how it goes on this channel. I was messing around with trying to put the bearing in, trying to do the right thing. But I gave it a little wiggle, and because it doesn't have a rear wheel on it, the weight went, and all the bearings fell out of the bottom of the stem. It was enough to piss off Pope, I think. If they offended anybody, that comment. Stick around, I'm not changing my ways. Now what are you doing? Ed, what are you doing? Oh, remember that bolt in the last video I told you I need to replace? Well, I still need to replace it, so I'm doing that. Yeah, this is the reason why I'm replacing that. Because I stripped out in the last video.
Just look at it!
The car is not perfect.
Just look at it!
And this might not always be my bike, and when I get that front tree back on. I'm going to do it like I did the first time, but the correct way. I have all the ball bearings, so I shouldn't be fighting with it. And we got any updates? Actually, I do. I got a brand new tripod that's wind resistant. You guys keep falling over on me like you're drunk. New action camera coming in the mail. Probably in the next couple days. Getting prepared for some riding. Guys, take a guess when the last time I was on a motorcycle. Nope. Longer. Any more guess? Well, I'll just tell you. 2010 was the last time I rode a motorcycle. It's been a while. So the action camera is going to facilitate my reactions of motorcycle riding. Again, 11, 12, 13 years ago. 13 years of not riding. Damn it, there's dirts on that. Registered trademark, patented technique right here. Don't worry guys, if you're subscribed, I won't sue you. Oh, that was a lame joke, Adam. You probably got people unsubscribing right now because of that comment. Yeah, well, you'll have that. I still like you guys, the ones that are left. So, this is my rear brake. It looks like it still has a bunch of shoe on it. I think I'm going to have to order some new shoes, guys. I'll do that right now. I like doing rework so much. So I ordered some new brake shoes. These will probably be alright, but realistically, I just don't want issues on a motorcycle. There's a in there. That needs to be cleaned. There's too much prep work to do. I'm not going to put that wheel on right now. I'm a lock washer, which is awesome. Try to keep it all original, you know. Oh boy. Yeah, this wheel will be coming off again. Click. I will be torquing that, but like I said, the wheel's probably coming off again. That's finger tight. Alright, so I gotta prep. These are filthy. I don't know. Oh, that polished thing. Yeah, these pads are barely even worn. But we're gonna do it anyways. Yeah, I'm gonna wash that. I'll be back. Yeah, so yeah. Looks easy enough, but can I do it? I don't know. Ah, fingers. Don't worry guys, I did the right thing and introduced all the asbestoses to the family's kitchen sink. But don't worry, it's clean asbestos. I use carb cleaner. Little dab of grease. When I mean a little dab, I mean tiny. Keep the grease off the shoes. I'm just putting a little on the brake actuator 9000 here. Just a little bit. A little Scotch spray and the asbestoses. Which way does this go on? You got a thick spacer, thin spacer. Yeah, these go on. They look identical. Oh man, I'm so close to having this on. Oh, I'm getting excited. Ooh, I'm getting excited. Well, I just rebuilt the brakes without the buck. Yeah, I'm that good. Fingered that out. Definitely didn't measure the brake drum. You don't need to worry about the brake drum. I used my eyeball, looked okay. I do have digital calipers I could probably use. Come on, where's the rear wheel? So there's two different sizes. I'm gonna put this on. I'm gonna put the bigger one on the right side because the left side has a sprocket. So I'm thinking the sprocket kicks out more, so smaller. And that's my logic anyways. Yep, you guys guessed it. Happy to get this off the kitchen table. It's tired. You guys know me, that's exactly where it was. Yeah! So this goes here. Which I got a bolt somewhere. So this bolt that I put in right here, this bolt right here. This bolt right here has a cotter pin hole, so I gotta remember to put a cotter pin on this. What that's gonna do is, like, if this nut ever backs loose, it'll prevent my drum from swinging on me. Swinging's bad. I'm not judging some of you. I mean, you do you, but in this case, swinging will lock up your rear brake. You just don't want to do the dying, do you? All right, I got greases, everything on my hand. All right, tools, cotter pin. All right, I'm gonna finish tighten up some stuff. I'll get back with you. Oh, why are you doing it that way, Adam? It's an aviation thing. Okay, there's still a cotter pin on that. That bar never came off. So I'm just gonna hand tight. I'm just gonna put that on tight enough right now, because once I get the chain on and figure out the, then you'll tighten it. But I need a motor first. This is awkward. Whee! Ah! Run the stuff over. Ooh, my hips. Ow! How about that? Well, thanks for watching whatever that was. Oh boy, it's been a couple weeks of just snow and weather and just no fun. Well, thanks for watching that moving picture, guys. Stay tuned, because the next video I'm going to start really getting into it. The boxes are starting to dwindle, and hopefully pretty soon I'll start to be able to do some paint stuff. Thanks so much for watching ColdStart Garage. See you in the next video. Just look at you.